Can I clean my evaporator coil myself? Yes, you can clean it yourself if you turn off power, use the right coil cleaner, and avoid bending the thin metal fins. Yes, you can clean it yourself if you turn off power, use the right coil cleaner, and avoid bending the thin metal fins. The evaporator coil is the part inside your heating and cooling system that gets cold and helps pull heat out of the air. Over time, dust, pet hair, and sticky grime can build up on it, and that makes your system work harder. When that happens, your home may cool more slowly, the air may feel less fresh, and your energy bill can go up. Before touching anything, switch off the power at the thermostat and the breaker so the system cannot start while you are working. Then remove the access panel, look carefully, and use a soft brush or a cleaner made for cooling coils. A little known fact is that some coils are covered by a special film that can be damaged by strong chemicals, so always read the label first. If the coil looks frozen, bent, oily, or hard to reach, it is smarter to stop and call a pro because the problem may be bigger than dirt. A common mistake is spraying too much cleaner or water, which can push grime deeper into the unit. A better approach is to use a light spray, let it sit for the time on the label, and wipe gently. Another mistake is cleaning the coil without checking the air filter, because a dirty filter will just make the coil dirty again fast. Change the filter first so your work lasts longer. People also forget that bent fins can block airflow, so if you see them mashed flat, use a fin comb very carefully or leave that part alone. If you smell something burnt, see ice, or notice leaking, do not keep cleaning because those are signs of a bigger issue. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.